driving into Wrightstown, Wisconsin. Oh, they got a cemetery right here too, on the side almost. The old road.
Yep.
But they built a nice bridge
They
to
did
cross
that.
over Fox River, right?
They did. Brand new bridge, 5 years ago now? 5 or
They said
so?
5 years.
Something like that.
So this is Wrightstown, folks. Thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. But it looks...
The only road they've done any maintenance on is that bridge.
Yeah,
So
nice.
that's the other road on the other side of those factories.
Got it.
That has those apartments.
So this is a new road for me. I don't think I ever come this
We've
way.
come in this way,
Yeah.
in and out, in fact. Yeah. When we followed Scotty mostly
Okay.
when we're going somewhere together.
Nice little homes though, and clean,
Mm-hmm.
which is really good. Finally, nice road. So here in Wrightstown, folks, just to give a heads up, this is a bridge they built, I think, is it 5 years already then?
Oh, it's got to be somewhere around there.
My goodness. But they built it really nice. Look at, you cannot even tell it's a bridge. It's really nice and pretty. And that's Wrightstown right here. A lot of fishermen over there. Nice. Wow, it drives really smooth. That's really good. Wow, that's nice. I wonder if Andy's and Mom is back in town.
I'm sure they're here.
Yeah, because it's nice, beautiful weather.
Exactly.
Oh, a nice little church. Is that church Catholic, do you think?
No.
It's not Catholic. Oh my gosh. Right sound.
And this used to be the main road that went across the bridge.
This one?
Yep.
Really?
Used to be. The old bridge.
I don't remember.
Mm-hmm.
So let's see what happens. So they fixed it too. Seems like they done something to the road. So this is downtown Wrightstown, I believe. Is that what they call it?
It is. This
Nice little coffee shop in there. You can go probably this way.
Okay.
Oh, do you come back? Oh, that end over there.
Yeah, no, this is
This is
what
pretty
you're gonna
much
get
it.
here.
My baby. This is what you're gonna get. So this is downtown, and what kind of business they got? Let's see. Ooh, what is that? It says Los Quita. It's a bar, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, we could. If you can turn, you can go up on the next one.
Okay. Like I said, I don't know where we're going.
Yeah. So that is another bridge, or what is that?
No, not on the bridge. This follows the Fox River, though.
Oh, I see. Got it. Oh, Fox River's right there. Gotcha. Oh my.
A lot of nice homes back there.
Wow, this is hilly. I wonder for the snow, how will they do when it's really cold? Wrightstown. Make it right. We can exit if you want.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, I was gonna get out, but it's only one block.
That's it.
Oh, and this is close too.
Well, that's a drainage pond. So
Oh.
yeah, that's a school with the drainage pond.
And this is Wrightstown, folks. So I don't know. I don't think it's much to do here, but drink a lot of alcohol.
Well, it's again another community to live.
To live,
out
yeah.
of town, but yet close by.
Yeah, so all of these little towns is basically for you to raise a family, family oriented, safe community probably too, right?
Yes.
And probably not that expensive, or you think it's a little expensive?
I don't know.
But at least you got to see how it looks now. I think personally, I think it's a nice town.
It is a nice little town.
And it's right. This is Fox River. We're going over Fox River again. New bridge. It's really strong the way they built it. Those are apartments. They didn't used to be there, right?
No,
They're
all that
new.
was Pere. Yeah, those probably about 2 years at most.
Probably so.
And
Yeah.
they just finished them. I mean, the initial ones were there a couple years ago, and then more recently to finish
Yeah.
the rest of the building.
We're gonna go this way. Just to go
Yep,
this way.
we're
Yeah.
going
Okay.
that
Good.
way.
They're gonna have another church over there. It's a beautiful little town, honestly. If you like small communities, and from here to Appleton is about what, 20 minutes?
Yeah, about that.
20 minutes from Appleton. So this is Main Street here in Wrightstown. They have another church over there. I don't know if that's Catholic, maybe.
I think this one is. That's part of the school.
It's part of the school. Oh, okay. It's Catholic school. Let's see here. If you can see that.
Yep, St. Clair.
St. Clair, got it. Catholic school, there you go. So this is it, folks.
Oh, places for sale.
Oh, nice.
That's a nice
It's
house.
a nice little house too, yeah. It's a small community house, city, but it's nice. I like it. Nice and clean too.
Mm-hmm.
So once again, thank you for watching us here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Jeff and Jessica Sinna, and we'll see you next time. Thank you for subscribing to our channel, and thank you to the subscribers that is still in our channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day and happy Memorial Weekend.